Hello everyone. Today is 15th July. This is the second video of DynoTrade AI. Let's use AI to analyze the chart and we take trades based on that, right? I said, let's take our first analysis. Pressing Command Shift K. Uh, Looking around the chart, I have a strong conviction it will go till the super trend and then it might reverse. But let's ask what Nifty is suggesting, right? Okay, so this is a chart which I'm going to put it, and I'm asking like analyze and come up with the high probabilities, right? Let's send it. Let's see what it is suggesting. Based on that, we will take a trade. As you know, it might take 10 to 12 seconds to analyze and come up with a possible entry criteria. So it says upside is 45%, downside is 35%, which means I would possibly go for either call option buy or I will go for put option sell. In this case, for me to go uh, buying call option is not a good sign because I see there is a super trend, there is a VWAP, and there is a pivot point. High chance that like it will take a pullback and then premium might decay, right? And even here, if you see in the put option, there's a super trend, and then it just hovering between VWAP and then the super trend area. Uh, but what but what it's suggesting is like downside is 35 percentage. So I would preferably take an entry here. Let's again ask this put option to give a trade idea. Suggest me best trade entry stop and target for this strike for intraday option selling. Okay, let's see what it is coming up with. Right now it's trading around 69.90. What it says else consistent. Okay, consider key price on historically shown reversal continuation by monitor volatility. Okay, it basically could not analyze what it is uh, uh, give you with uh, the proper entry and exit prices because it was just hovering around it. That's what it's trying to say. Consider a key price zone. Anyways, like let's take an entry here. I'm just taking a sell entry here, right? So I just sold somewhere around here, for example. I'm putting my stop above VWAP, that is 82, right? Usually I would target 1 is to 2, right? But yeah, anyway, this is at the money, maybe around 1.5. Uh, uh, it would give a decent profit. So my entry is somewhere around 67 point, yeah, 67.85, right? So you see here, yeah, this is the area which we entered, right? So this area, 67.75. Okay. Yeah. So let's mark the entry 67.75 entry. Okay. At this candle and SL is 15 rupees. Target is around 22, right? So which is 1 is to 1.5 risk reward. Uh, let's see where it ends up. I think this might run for a long time. So I'm just passing it here and I'll keep you posted. So around 10:07 we entered the trade at entry 67.75, right? We'll keep you posted about how this trade goes. By the time when we enter, our stop was around 1125 and then target was around 1650. Now after hovering around, it started going down, so I'm going to trail the stop loss. So this is the area which I want to set the stop, right? So which is somewhere around this area, this line, right? So if you see, yeah, so I want to set a stop somewhere around 74.2, sorry, 74.85, right? So 74.85 is a stop. I don't want to keep till, so 74.85, which is 7.1 is the stop loss, somewhere around 550, right? So SL is 550 now. As we predicted, as AI predicted, it started going down. Right now, we are in a profit of 1 is to 1, which is we entered at around 67.75. Right now, it's 60.75, which is 7.75, right? So 1 is to 1 is target achieved. Let's see. We are waiting for now 22 rupees at what we expected. If we get this 22.30 now with the risk, it's of around 1 is to 3.1 percentage, right? So 1 is a risk and then 3 is a target, right? So let's see. I'm passing it here. Uh, as it says, it started going around the super trend in the future chart, and it's still, I mean, the call option is still hovering around the super trend, VWAP, and then the pivot point. As I said earlier, like why I did not get into buy side, though the probability of call option is 45%, because the strike is trading below VWAP, right? So if it was trading above VWAP, then I should have entered that. But now it was like trading below VWAP. It was not giving a strong conviction for me to get into the trade. That's the reason I just went into option selling. Yeah, I mean, let's see. Right now it is already in a profit, right? So we should at least reduce our risk somewhat to, I see somewhere, let it be around above VWAP, right? So which is 71.4 is the VWAP. I set at 71.9, right? So just 5 rupees stop loss, which is around 400 rupees stop, right? My SL is just 400 rupees, but I'm expecting a target of around 1650, which means I'm expecting around 1 is to 5. Yeah, let's see. Okay, next update. Uh, as AI predicted, price started going higher and higher in the Nifty, and put option started going downward trajectory. Right now it's trading around 50.70. Now it's time to update my stop loss. Let's, okay. I think we set it to 400 rupees, right? So I would say I put my stop to my entry, right, which is just a break even. Even if it hit my stop, uh, it's a break even trade. So essentially, my stop is somewhere around like just 10 rupees now, right? Even if it is a sell hit, it's 10 rupees. I'm seeing there is a strong rejection is going to happen at this area because it's just around 25 200 line, right? And then you see it's already stretched a lot. It might possibly go till 57.95. I would say I would exit at this 52.15 now. I'm exiting my trade here, so instead of waiting, I'm exiting at uh, around 52.3. Yeah, so I just exited my trade at 52.3. Okay, so just closed my trade at this area, this line, right? This gave us a profit of how much? 1 is to 1, right? So target is 1. We made a 15 rupees profit. Initial, when we are taking a trade, it was just 15 rupees stop loss. We got 15 rupees target. So just 1 is to 1 we achieved. Essentially, it's fine. I would say like, this is a second trade and we got what, 1000 rupees, around 1100, considering all these taxes and everything, like we made a profit of around 1000 rupees. It's a decent trade, I would say. Stopping the video here. Let's see if we can able to take any other trade which AI gives us an entry. I'll post the next video. Yeah, this is, thank you. Bye.